Yes lads, hi, welcome back to another vid lads. It is roasting today, 20 degrees, quite nice. What we're going to do today is we're going to crack on and we're going to refurb the alloys, because the alloys for the RX-8 are absolutely shocking. Like, they've just been scuffed everywhere, man. So we're gonna sand them down, primer them, spray them black again, and just clean them up a bit. I'm still waiting on parts to do the engine, so I've ordered a 52mm socket, which has come, and I've had to order, because it's an inch drive on the socket, so I've had to order an inch to 3/4 and then a 1/4 to 1/2 inch. So I've got the 3/4 to 1/2 inch. I'm just waiting for the 1/2 inch to full inch. Not 1/2 inch to full inch, 3/4 to full inch. So yeah, you'll probably see this video before you see that video that I'm stripping. But yeah, just gonna go around the back now. We're gonna start sanding them down and spray them, get them nice and clean. Obviously these are going to be like the normal alloys that I'll drive about in, but obviously I'm going to buy some show alloys as well, which I won't be doing any stupid shit in. So these are kind of the messing about alloys, so they're going to get scratched again anyway, but I just thought I'd refurb and make the car look a bit better. So yeah, let's get to it.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah.
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but
You could be with anyone.
Should give them a quick clean. I've only done one, so I'll just clean this up, see what it looks like, and then get all the others sanded. I haven't touched yet. This is probably the worst one out of them all. It's been curved all the way around the outside. It's also got corrosion around here. And then these are the ones that we've sanded down. You can see there's no major, except for that one, but you can't get that out. There's no way you're getting that out. It's all smooth around the edges. That's what we want, instead of it being all jaggedy like that. Right lads, so I've finally finished sanding them all down. I've set up a little spray booth in my backyard, and we'll just spray two at a time. We're going to be using Halford's spray paint primer, just because that was the only place I could get it from without ordering online. It'll take ages. So yeah, let's crack on.
you're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me.
You could be around, but
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me.
So we're going to let them sit for about half an hour, let them fully dry, and then get the first coat of black on them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one away, let it fully dry, sand it down again and spray it again tomorrow because it's not coming out right.
Be around, but you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me.
you could be around, but
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. Said, don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you only believe me, don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you only believe in me,
you could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but
you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me.
you could be around, but
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me.
Right, so that's it lads, we finally finished them. I've done all four now, lacquered them all. I'll just letting them dry now. They look much better than they did. Obviously they're not perfect, they're never going to be perfect because they were damaged to fuck, but they look a lot better than they did. So yeah, got another spray job going on over here, which will be another video. Yeah. Right lads, so my next video after this will be, well, probably be me stripping that engine. I'm still waiting for that part to come. It's so annoying. But yeah lads, subscribe, stay safe through this coronavirus, and hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time.